Okay, so today we're working on this truck right here, and the inside of it is just trash. So came out here, as you can imagine, we're out in the boondocks a little bit, and we're at one of our clients, which is a oil company, and we take care of their tankers and whatnot, but we also take care of the insides of their vehicles too. So cool thing that we're going to be doing today, of course, is we're going to be working with steamer. So you see a lot of YouTube videos with using steamers and stuff, but today we're actually going to be using one in real life. This is a real life situation. This truck is awful. So the doors, the seats, the dash. Did you see anything that was bad?
Let's go to the other side.
Yeah, pretty well. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty bad. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into it, and then after we're done with this one, then we have another truck, and after we're done with this truck and that truck, then we're gonna be doing an airplane. So all in one day. So we're gonna be on the road, we're gonna be traveling, we're gonna stop, get something to eat, we're gonna show you some scenery, we're gonna look around, because yeah, this is what we do. So yeah. So we're gonna get straight into it, y'all. Here we go. I'm gonna edit it all in. All right, so this is real life. So you can see this door, it looks pretty bad. What you see a lot of other YouTube videos, what the guy is showing you, they'll go straight into steaming. You don't want to have to steam unless you absolutely have to. So we're gonna use an all-purpose degreaser. And the key word there is all-purpose. And we're gonna spray it, just like so. Spray it enough to make a difference. This needs to be clean. Let it work for a few seconds before we just go to steaming. So as you can see, it's already starting to cut it. Using a terry cloth, doesn't necessarily have to be a microfiber, and as you can see, look, just like that, it's already taken off a lot of stuff. It isn't going to take off everything. It's going to take off the majority. So that's a good example right there of that. What do you think, Scotty?
That's a massive difference.
Massive difference. And you see, we're not having to use those little brushes and everything else. A lot of stuff that you see on YouTube. A lot of YouTube detailers, which are not real businesses, using all these little brushes and all this kind of stuff. Are we using a brush right now to make this work? No, but you see how clean it is already. And just like that, we got a good base. So got a pretty good base. Is it 100% clean? No, but you see how quick that we're doing this. We're getting it done. Clients need the stuff done. That's where we come in and we get the work done. We get it clean, we get it disinfected, because after we do this, we'll disinfect and dress it, make it look beautiful, and move on to the next. But we're going to show you the rest of the inside here, show you the process. So keep on going. Tell them, like, I did mix this up with. You can throw out the floor mats if you want. why these get so dirty, I'm talking to YouTube, and also anybody in general is watching. The reason why the tops of semis and vehicles get so dirty, is because this is where all the dirt, everything from the outside when they're rolling with the windows down, circulates. And settles onto the roof and also onto you got the cleaner. Thank you. And as you can see already, this is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty clean. But what we're doing is getting what I'm doing in this step process, getting the heavy stuff off first. And that way what will happen is once we come over and start steaming, we'll get the stuff that we can't get to by just simple cleaner and wiping. So y'all like steaming action. Here's some steaming action.
Can you rinse it off for me?
I think I can. Steaming action. Can't see you in it, but woo! Yummy. Damn, look how clean that floor is. Here you go. Y'all can see the steam. Look at that steam work, everybody. Oh well. It's still going. Oh man, I'm sorry, everybody. Had a technical difficulty. Technical difficulty. So airborne is completely different from Rangers.
So you have airborne Rangers.
Okay.
But again, fuck Rangers. Any MOS can be airborne, basically. Steamer was definitely a good investment. Look how clean it is. But to be very, very clear, YouTube, we've got not a run-of-the-mill steamer. We're actually using a steamer that is specifically for auto detailing, upholstery, right? As it says on the box. So that way there's not really any chance of messing anything up.
Alright, so we're done with this one. And as you can see, it turned out amazing. We just got to clean the windows. There's the door. Massive difference. Massive difference. I'm going to get down at eye level. See the door is just a massive difference.